That's me.
What's up, guys? So in today's video I am joined with my little child, Chanel. Can you look at the camera? Can you look at the camera? Can you look at the camera? In today's video, I let her pick my makeup, and so she basically picked out a full face of makeup for me, and yeah, we're gonna be showing you guys what she picked out. Oh, the other dog is really mad that I'm holding Chanel and not her. She feels left out that she's not in the video, but this one right here picked my makeup, not this one. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the products that she picked out, and we're gonna see the look that my dog right here came up with. So if you're interested in this video, then let's just get started. Okay, you guys, so I already did my eyebrows because I just don't have a lot of eyebrow products. I've stuck to the same eyebrow routine and the same eyebrow product for like 5-6 years now. So we're not gonna change that up today because no other eyebrow product really works on my eyebrows. Pick which one you want. Oh, this is the winner. Oh, she wants all of them, but... So, the primer that Chanel chose was my VDL Lumi Layer Primer, which I don't really use a lot. I've honestly only used this primer probably 2 times. So, I don't remember if I like it or not, so I guess we're gonna see today if I like it. Chanel is currently doing some puppy ASMR sounds in the background for you guys. She's currently eating. She stays eating 3 o'clock in the morning and she's still eating. So I'm going to be applying this primer right here, which is just basically one of those kind of like very illuminizing primers. It gives your skin a little bit of a glow. I do remember with this primer. I also just want to point something out. If for some reason you guys see my neck or my face or my chest getting gradually darker, or even my hands throughout this video, I got a spray tan a couple hours ago and it's just progressively getting darker and darker as time moves on. So if for some reason, like, you know, you just see my neck start at a different color in the beginning than the end, that's why. Okay, so it gave us a little bit of like a glow to our skin. This is honestly probably gonna be like a really nice like summer primer, I would say. Which one do you want? The winner is right here. For foundation, Chanel chose the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, and this is in the shade 128. I hope this matches me. This is usually like a spray tan shade, but my spray tan isn't like fully-ish developed right now, so we're gonna see if this foundation works out. We're gonna pray for the best right now. This is my go-to foundation. It has just always been one of my go-to foundations ever since I was younger, and so, you know, I'm really happy that she picked an OG product. Really happy that Chanel did good on picking this foundation. I honestly gave her choices, like 2 choices that were really good, and my only like dark spray tan shades, so that's why there wasn't a lot of choices for the foundation. This is the winner right here. For concealer, Chanel chose the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, which I'm glad that she chose this one because this is one of my favorite concealers to wear when I am tan. So I'm just going to apply this concealer underneath my eyeballs, which I love this concealer. This concealer works so well. It is kind of drying though, so you sort of have to move quickish. So I'm gonna start with my under eyes, and then we'll put the concealer on like the rest of my face after I blend this. This is the winner. For powder, Chanel chose my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, which I love this powder, and I honestly have not used it in a while, so I'm really excited to use it right now. This is not a translucent powder. It is a color powder, if you guys are wondering. I'm just gonna go over and just set my whole entire face with just this little like sponge. So for bronzer, Chanel chose my NARS Laguna bronzer. This is just my trusty old bronzer. Love this bronzer, really excited to use her. She's like brand new. So both of the puppies are currently underneath my bed fighting, so if you guys hear some growling in the background, that is them. So I'm just gonna be taking this bronzer and just putting it on my cheekbones and kind of like contouring with it, because today we're not using cream contour because I did not have Chanel pick a cream contour because I only have one. I don't have multiple, so next, I'm going to move on to the eyes, and then we're gonna do like the blush, highlighter, all that stuff after. That's not the one I wanted. This is the palette that she chose right here. It's by ColourPop, and it is the Mar palette. And this is what it looks like right here. She honestly couldn't have picked a more harder palette. I was really hoping she would have chose one of the other options that I gave her, but she knows she just wanted to do the one that I did not want to do. But you know, it's fine. I honestly have no idea what I'm going to do with this palette. I have never used this palette before, so I don't know the quality of the eyeshadows, if they're pigmented or anything like that, but we're about to find out. I'm going to start out with like both of these browns in my crease, and then we're going to work our way from there. I'm kind of just going to make it up and hope for the best. Okay, so far the eyeshadow, that really isn't a bad eyeshadow. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the two browns. I don't really know what I want to do next. Okay, so I'm going to leave the crease as just those brown shades. The rest of these colors are very, very shimmer. These are the only matte shades in the palette, so there really wasn't much that I could do. But now I'm going to take, I think, a mixture of this one, and I'm going to stick it on my eyelid. Okay, so I kind of want to play around with some of the colors in here, and so I was thinking about dragging this green color like underneath my lower lash line instead of like some brown shades. So let's see how that looks. So I put some green underneath. Honestly, really not here for it, but it may look better when I have mascara on and lashes on, so we're just gonna look for the completed look and pray that this looks good. Little glitter that Chanel chose was this Sugar Twinkle glitter in the shade, I don't really know because it's in Chinese. I got it off of a Chinese website, and yeah, I'm really obsessed with that website. But I'm just going to take this and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid and just kind of hope that it's a little bit of a green tint, that it like ties in the green on the bottom, because the green on the bottom kind of looks just like not it. mascara, Chanel chose another ColourPop product, and she chose my ColourPop Volumizing Mascara, which I'm actually obsessed with. I love how black it is, and I really do love just like the wand and how it applies on my eyes. It is one of my favorite mascaras currently right now. So this is what the makeup look is looking like so far. I'm really hoping that those lashes do something. I'm really not feeling the green, but maybe I might feel it when my lip color and the rest of the look is completed. I'm a failure and did not have Chanel choose lashes, and so we're just gonna go with my favorite ones because I know that she would just want mommy to have her favorite lashes on. So I'm going to be taking my lashes and I'm going to be applying them, and then I'll come right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back and the lashes are on. This is what they look like. Makes the look a lot better. It doesn't make the green look as insane because my lashes kind of look insane, so you're more drawn to my lashes versus the insane green that's underneath my eyes. The blush that Chanel chose was my Laura Geller New York Baked Blush in Brighton Tropic Hue little blush. She's really, really cute. I honestly forgot that I had this blush until I was like going through my whole makeup to see what products I wanted Chanel to choose. So I'm just gonna take some Swirl on my brush and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. It's a really, really cute, like nice pinky blush. For highlighter, Chanel chose one of my old favorites, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. Have hit pan on this product. I have put so many people onto this highlighter. This is just one of my like high school favorite highlighters. No, she didn't get any of them. Oh. So for lips, Chanel chose the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Bow and Arrow. I have never tried this liquid lipstick before. I hope it looks good on me, and I hope it doesn't look insane with this look. I also do not have a lip liner, so... This is definitely a lipstick that I would have loved in high school. This was the types of lips that I always wore in high school. This little brown type of look. She's kind of cute. I kind of like her. So you guys, this is the completed makeup look. Honestly, you know, Chanel did a pretty good job. The eyes I was very, very nervous for, but they didn't turn out as bad as I was expecting them to turn out. When she picked that palette, I was a little like... So that is the end to Chanel picking my makeup. She's currently on the ground looking for her sister because her sister's on the ground. But she did a pretty good job, guys. What do we give her? What would you guys rate her makeup picking skills? I think honestly I thought it was gonna be a lot worse than it was, and it honestly turned out pretty good. Like, maybe I might take an Instagram picture in this makeup. I wasn't planning on it, but like maybe I might now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell if you guys want to be notified when I post a video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing when I'm not posting a video. Summer is here, y'all, and I am making it my mission, my goal to become active, very, very active on my social media sites. So make sure you guys go follow me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want more like makeup challenges types of videos. If you guys want to see another video with Chanel, let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know what kind of video you guys would like me to do with her. If you guys are home and you guys are bored, I recommend you guys doing this like with your animal. And if you guys do, tweet me some pictures of like what creative makeup look, you know, your dog came up with, or your cat, or whatever type of animal that you have. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.